let me introduce ourselves. My name is Munira Yoba.
And me, Marsanda Somole. Me, Lucia Amir. Me, Surita Kasman. We are honorary students at the Faculty of Cultural Sciences, class 3C. Now, we will make a video project, academic discussion about child-free. So, let's go!
Okay, the first causes of child-free. Number one, economy. High cost of living and education for children. And number two, career. Focus on personal growth and professional goals. Number three, health. No mentally or physically prepared for parenthood. Social values. And social and increasingly accepting and childcare lifestyle.
The second conservation of children. One, focus on character and finally stability, more time for oneself and personal freedom. Two, social significance, especially in traditional culture, personal when health and alternatives in the future.
The three, global career situation. And number one, work flexibility. Greater freedom in job location. And then career opportunities, child-free women are likely to raise relationship position. And number three, teach industry. Many child-free individuals serve in teach and creative industry.
Okay, the last one is career situation in Indonesia. One, career opportunities. More flexibility, especially in creative or startup industry. Two, social pressure. In Indonesia, child-free choice are often seen as conflicting with social norms. The next, financial focus. More funds available for self-development and career growth. Okay, now I would like to ask what my friends think about child-free. And let's go. Hi, I will ask you, are you choose child-free or not?
No.
Why?
Because there are various reasons that might drive women to end child. Include the first, many women feel that having a child provides emotional fulfillment, and then needs a need for love, support that cannot to be obtained from the other relationship. And then children often provide motivation for parents to work hard. And a child their life goals as well and offer emotional support when they age.
Okay, I would like ask what my friends I think about child. You agree or not about child?
I don't agree.
Why?
Because aside from consuming the family lingers, the presence of children can bring happiness and build strong family bonds. Children also become a source of motivation for parents to keep striving and growing. Thank you.
I would like to ask what my friends think about children. Good or not?
Okay. Number one, desire to build a family. Having children fulfills a dream to share love and raise the next generation. So number two, culture and religious values. Many cultural and religious traditions view having children as an important obligation. So number three, life purpose. Children bring happiness, purpose, and hope for their future.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I would like to ask my friends, think about child-free. So, you agree or not child-free? Why?
Because I want to have children to build a relationship of love, affection, and close family. This because having children is connection and symbol of love and beauty. Connection of couple relationship having children is so connected our generation. Either featured because health insurance is to give the meaning of a new proposal in life of lives and becomes the cause of their happiness.
Okay, that's all our preference about child-free.
Okay guys, that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and bye.
Generasi muda Indonesia semakin bebas menentukan jalan hidup dengan status menikah atau tidak menikah. Bahkan meski hidup sudah mapan, pilihan untuk tidak menikah bukan semata mengutamakan karir. Anak muda pun mulai menyuarakan child free sebagai alasan mereka enggan menikah. Mengacu pada Oxford Dictionary, istilah child free adalah suatu kondisi ketika seseorang atau pasangan tidak memiliki anak karena pilihan secara sadar dan sukarela. Secara biologis, keduanya berpotensi memiliki keturunan, tetapi mereka mengambil jalan child free dengan sejumlah alasan, mulai dari kepedulian lingkungan, psikologi, sosial, hingga ekonomi. Mengutip dari data IN milik Badan Pusat Statistik, prevalensi perempuan child free di Indonesia saat ini sebanyak 8%. Survei Sosial Ekonomi Nasional atau Susenas 2022 pun mengestimasi angka tersebut terhadap perempuan berusia 15 hingga 49 tahun yang pernah kawin tetapi belum pernah melahirkan anak dalam keadaan hidup serta tidak menggunakan alat kontrasepsi. Sebanyak 71.000 orang di antara mereka memang tidak ingin memiliki anak. Fenomena banyak anak muda yang tidak mau menikah sekaligus tidak mau punya anak alias child free muncul juga di sejumlah negara seperti Jepang, Jerman, Australia, Spanyol, dan Korea Selatan. Fenomena ini menimbulkan kekhawatiran di negara-negara itu karena berdampak pada perlambatan pertumbuhan penduduk. Di Jepang misalnya, anak-anak muda Jepang enggan menikah di usia dini. Kalau kemudian menikah, mereka memutuskan menjadi double income no kids alias child free. Biaya hidup yang mahal jadi salah satu alasannya. Ancaman resesi ekonomi mungkin bisa diatasi dengan relatif mudah oleh pemerintah Jepang. Tetapi ancaman perlambatan pertumbuhan penduduk ini bisa membuat pemerintah pusing tujuh keliling. Meskipun masih lebih banyak dibahas dengan kontra dan stigma, child free masih jadi pilihan sebagai salah satu alasan tidak menikah. Norma-norma sosial atau masyarakat yang mengidealkan orang dewasa muda menikah lalu punya anak sehingga kelak di masa tua ada yang menemani dan merawat, tidak lagi dengan penuh diterima dan diamini. Dunia di era digital ini pun semakin terbiasa menunjukkan perbedaan pilihan hidup, pandangan hidup, dan pengalaman hidup. Bahkan mengutip childfreelife.id disebut wajar-wajar saja berbeda, yang tidak wajar itu kalau sampai memaksakan pilihannya.